Well, welcome to Marston Art Parlor. I'm Jean Marston from New Orleans, and
I'm Jen from Memphis.
we decided to join forces. We're both artists. We've been painting a lot of paintings the last several years. In fact, we have so many paintings we're painting out of our house now. So we needed a place, and this was perfect location after Jen was looking around different real estate to lease a building, and this suited our needs. And so far, we've been having a lot of people come here. We offer paint and sip parties and art instructions, and also we sell our art. We curate other artists here, plus ourselves.
Here at Marston Art Parlor, we give art classes for all ages. We have paint sip parties, and we have studio time along with the gallery hours that are normally open for all that we sell. We have gift certificates and paint packets to have beginner tries and to explore the art. They sell an apron, palettes, knives, and a free paint party or art class that comes with it. And along with the gift sets and paint classes, we curate local artists. This is Brian Contreras, Kathy Stotesbury, and we have Dale White right now through December of 2025. Thank you for visiting Marston Art Parlor. We will be accepting new artists January 2026. Our hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Wednesday, gallery and studio time. Our art classes and paint sip parties are Thursday through Saturday, 5:30 to 7:30, Thursday to Friday, Saturday 2 to 4. And studio time is walk right in. Anything you'd like to do, bring your own supplies or we can supply.
And we're located at 907 Highway 62 West, right across the street from the Sheriff's Office. We have plenty of parking.